From all my terrors, the Lord set me free. Join me for shall sing. From all my terrors, the Lord set me free. From all my terrors, the Lord set
Be free.
From all my terrors, the Lord set me free. From all my terrors, the Lord set
Be free.
I will bless the Lord at all times. Praise of His always in my mouth. In the Lord my soul shall make His boast. The humble shall hear and be glad. From all my terrors, the Lord set
Be free.
Glory for the Lord with me. Together let us praise His name. I sought the Lord and He answered me. From all my terrors He set me free. From all my terrors the
Lord,
Lord
set
set
me
me
free.
Look towards heaven, being young. Let your faces not be apart. This lonely one Lord high and rescued each from all his distress. From all my terrors, the Lord set
Be
me
free.
Thou art one Lord risen home around those who fear Him to rescue them.